Are you tired of feeling stuck in the same basic English conversations? Do you wish you could speak more naturally and confidently, just like a native speaker? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 100 of the most common questions and answers that you'll hear in everyday English. We'll cover everything from small talk to daily life, so you can feel prepared for any situation. By the end of this video, you'll have a whole new set of tools to take your English to the next level. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to fluency. Today, we're going to practice 100 short, natural questions and answers that you can use in everyday conversations. Here's how it'll work. I'll ask a question, and then I'll give you the answer. After that, I'll say the answer again slowly so you can check your pronunciation and repeat after me. This is a great way to practice your speaking skills with me. We'll start with some small talk and daily life questions. Question: Are you busy right now? Answer: Not really. What's up? Question: Do you live nearby? Answer: Yes, just a few streets away. Question: Are you free this weekend? Answer: Yes, I'm free on Saturday.
Question: Is this your first time here? Yes, it's my first time. How about you? Do you usually cook at home? Yes, I cook most evenings. Are you tired? A little, but I'm okay. Do you watch TV at night? Yes, I usually watch something after dinner. Are you feeling better now? Yes, much better, thanks. Do you take the bus to work? No, I usually drive. Are you good at cooking? I'm okay, but I'm not great.
Question: Do you read before bed?
Yes, almost every night.
Question: Are you ready to go?
Yes, I've got everything.
Question: Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football on Sundays.
Question: Are you busy tomorrow?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
Question: Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, they're really nice.
Question: Are you into music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Question: Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Question: Are you on social media?
Yes, but not very often.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, at least 2 cups.
Are you learning something new?
Yes, I'm learning English.
Do you get up early?
Yes, I usually wake up at 6.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, it's freezing today.
Do you check the news every day?
Yes, I check it every morning.
Are you ready for lunch?
Yes, I'm starving.
Question: Do you speak any other languages? Yes, a little Spanish. Now, let's move on to some questions you might hear while shopping or eating out. Question: Do you need a bag? No, I brought my own, thanks. Question: Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the pasta, please. Question: Would you like anything to drink? Yes, a glass of water, please. Question: Do you want the receipt? Yes, please. And the last one, are you paying by card? Yes, I'll pay by card. Question: Do you want it to go? Answer: Yes, takeaway, please. Question: Would you like a table inside or outside? Outside, please. Question: Is the service charge included? Answer: Yes, it's already included. Question: Do you want to try it on? Answer: Yes, where are the changing rooms? Question: Are you looking for anything special? Answer: Yes, I need a black jacket. Question: Do you want still or sparkling water? Answer: Still water, please. Question: Would you like to see the menu? Answer: Yes, please. Question: Do you want to split the bill? Answer: Yes, let's split it. Question: Is this on sale? Answer: Yes, it's half price today. Question: Do you need a basket? Answer: No, I'll just carry it.
Question. Would you like to pay now or later? Answer. I'll pay now. Question. Do you want cash back? Answer. No thanks. Question. Is everything okay with your meal? Answer. Yes, it's perfect, thank you. Question. Do you want to keep the bag? Answer. No, you can take it.
Would you like to try a sample?
Yes, please.
Do you want to add dessert?
No, I'm full, thanks.
Is this your size?
Yes, it fits well.
Do you want ketchup with that?
Yes, please.
Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, that would be nice.
Do you need a straw?
No, I'm fine, thanks.
Great job. We've covered a lot of ground so far. If you're looking for even more ways to improve your English, you might want to check out a video called Master English Conversation, 50 Common Questions and Answers. It's a great resource for practicing even more phrases. Now, let's move on to some questions and answers about work and phone calls. Question. Can I call you back later? Answer. Sure, no problem. Question. Are you coming to the meeting? Answer. Yes, I'll be there at 10. Question. Do you work from home? Answer. Yes, 3 days a week. Question. Are you free for a quick chat? Answer. Yes, give me 5 minutes. Question. Can you send me the file? Answer. Yes, I'll send it right now. Question. Do you need help with that report? Answer. No, I've got it covered. Question. Are you working late tonight? Answer. Yes, I need to finish this project. Question. Can you hear me clearly? Answer. Yes, I can hear you fine.
Do you want me to take notes?
Yes, that would be helpful. Are you available tomorrow morning?
Yes, I'm free after 9. Can we move the meeting to Friday? Yes, that works for me. Do you want to join the call? Yes, send me the link.
Are you in the office today?
No, I'm working from home.
Can I leave a message?
Yes, go ahead.
Do you need this signed today?
Yes, please, it's urgent.
Are you done with the presentation?
Yes, I just finished it.
Can you cover for me this afternoon?
Yes, I'll take care of it. Do you want me to email it to you? Yes, please.
Are you free for lunch?
Yes, what time?
Can you join us for the meeting?
Yes, I'll be there. Do you have a minute?
Yes, what's up?
Are you working on the project? Yes, I started this morning.
Can you check this document?
Yes, I'll look at it now.
Do you want me to call him back?
Yes, please do.
Are you happy with the results?
Yes, they look good.
Excellent work. Now let's dive into some questions and answers related to travel and social situations. This is where you can really start to sound like a native speaker. Question. Is this seat taken? Answer. No, go ahead. Question. Where's the nearest bus stop? Answer. It's just around the corner. Question. Do you have any free tables tonight? Answer. Yes, we have one at 7. Question. Are you checking in today? Answer. Yes, I have a booking for 2 nights. Question. Do you need help with your luggage? Answer. Yes, thank you. That would be great. Question. Is this the train to London? Answer. Yes, it leaves in 10 minutes. Question. Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat? Answer. A window seat, please. Question. Is breakfast included? Answer. Yes, it's included in the price. Question. Do you need a taxi? Answer. Yes, please. Are you here on holiday? Answer. Yes, just for a week. Question. Do you want to take a photo for you? Answer. Yes, that would be nice. Is this your suitcase? Answer. Yes, that's mine. Question. Do you have your passport with you? Answer. Yes, it's right here. Are you traveling alone? Answer. No, I'm with my family. Question. Do you want to sit outside? Answer. Yes, if the weather is nice. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Answer. Yes, just across the street. Do you need directions to the museum? Answer. Yes, please. Are you waiting for someone? Answer. Yes, a friend of mine. Do you need a map? No, I'll use my phone. Is this your first time in the city? Answer. Yes, it's my first visit. Do you want to join us for dinner? Answer. Yes, I'd love to. Are you staying long? Answer. No, just for the weekend. Do you want to try local food? Answer, yes, definitely. Is it far from here? Answer, no, it's about 10 minutes on foot. Do you need any help? Answer, no, I'm fine, thanks. For more practice on this topic, I recommend searching for Learn English Conversation for Beginners. You'll find a lot of helpful videos to keep you going. Conclusion. Okay, you've just practiced 100 of the most useful everyday questions and answers in English. The best way to get fluent is repetition. So listen again, say the answers out loud, and try using them in real life. The more you repeat, the more natural they will feel. Thank you for joining me today on English Glow. I'm Tom, and until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Glow for more videos like this. Bye for now.